Alright guys, so right now we're headed to Kingston, but we're still on the streets of Negril and we're about to go get some porridge from the porridge man. Taylor getting patty and cocoa bread. Come.
It's time for a little party. Original bad mind.
Porridge done. You know nobody else have porridge?
No, maybe somebody in the car, maybe.
And what kind of porridge? Cornmeal?
Peanut with caramel.
Peanut porridge is done.
That's to let you know, peanut porridge go fast on the streets.
Yeah.
Who's last cup then?
He said it was his.
YouTube video, okay?
Yeah.
Wait name.
5-star.
5-star. Thank you, 5-star.
Negril Main Street. Alright.
Negril Main Street. Oh, it is.
Good, man.
Peanut porridge tastes good. Next time, take some for here.
I'll be here tomorrow then. Just We was yesterday we were trying to find out. Oh, you go.
You want some me climb?
You climb bush.
You gonna give her a hug anyways? Oh, that's so cute. But her auntie says she look good. Take a picture, girls. Irie man. Hold on there. Wanna look good too. Colorful and everything. Alright. Hi, Hi, baby. You have to get a picture with me. And we come take one with Taylor, okay? It's Marvin spit out the three of them in the mall, and you see? So adorable. Everybody in the car. Shopping center. I think we're in the town of Darlington. Sav-la-Mar. Oh yeah. Here's the trick. Mommy, so the word is what? Sav-la-Mar, right? And what everybody call it? Sav-la-Mar.
And then, yeah, Sav-la-Mar, but it's short.
But the real name is Sav-la-Mar.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Sav-la-Mar.
And we say Sav-la-Mar. We read Sav-la-Mar. Sav-la-Mar is the true big city in Westmoreland. I used to come here with Auntie Herman and Uncle Layton. He used to teach at a college on Saturdays, and the drive would take us 4 hours to get here. Like, down here he used to teach. We would leave home at like 6 a.m. to get here at 10. I don't know, but the college was in the town of Sav-la-Mar.
In half a mile, turn right.
We're finally on the main road, guys. Finally on the main road. We just left Sav-la-Mar, and I'll put a map up here, but from Westmoreland we will be going into St. Elizabeth. From St. Elizabeth we'll go into Mandeville, or we should say Manchester, and then from Manchester we're going to Clarendon, Mommy? Clarendon, and then from Clarendon we're going to St. Catherine, and from St. Catherine we're going to St. Andrew, which is Kingston.
We have to pronounce people and word name of them place properly.
Westmoreland.
That she starts speaking Jamaican now.
But she now speak to Jamaicans only. That's the thing.
Yeah, Westmoreland. Middle Quarters is popular for the food stuff, kind of like big spend.
Take the position, now waste no time. Flex your body, make you free your mind. Man, they think about you all the time. Look up at make you get that wine. Bad girl, she a whiny pan. Good girl, you are moving naughty. Come have liquid gin and tonic.
So it says in the car, just got 4 bags of pepper shrimp for 2,000 and drinks, probably about 6 drinks. Everything come up to about 25 US. Not bad.
What to do with it?
Pepper shrimp here.
Oh wait, so we haven't even hit the food yet?
Hey, lovers, what lady? What was your name?
Where the food part there? Where the food part? So where's the part where have the whole heap of food then? Food.
Food, like cook food.
Yeah. Oh, that's all? Okay.
Look at me wrong, you're not pass. So
Time.
lovers leave there. Back over that way. Oh, up in the hill. Oh.
Mommy got pine and sweet. Mota bun me all.
Pepper, you not you want one then?
It already I did.
Oh, I'm never call it for you last 500.
No, I think you said 1,300. That was all the drinks?
Yeah.
You sure?
I'm positive.
Okay.
I pepper on the back, the pepper tree on the back of the name.
Yeah, someone here.
I want to it.
Alright, one more pepper. I'm never. You know. Yeah, pepper seed. I'm a
May I have to take a bit of pepper there? Oh, what's your favorite one?
They're not sneakers. The mommy?
Because I like it.
Eh?
I like it. It looks like a earphone.
Listen, take this to the pineapple. Take the name
Oh,
out.
most of my fish, may I get these up there?
The name out and keep it there.
I think this is where we stop for middle court. It?
Yeah.
Both them gone. How many quarters that? Aki.
Oh. So those them over here. And then leave them to the
The pot there.
Him pull over now. Hello? Alright, so we just made a stop in middle quarters. And what I'm realizing in middle quarters is that them have multiple stops. Them account.
What kind of soup?
600. Taylor get one. $600 then? Right, let's go.
You got to get them back that tree.
Oh, you do?
It's hard.
Hard?
Different, but
It's well seasoned.
ready chair.
I would say chair.
That's what it said.
Everybody, Mara boy, Mara come up for air, no? Come up for air, man. Take a breath, take a breath. Look at this one over here, Miss Francis Herbert. Quiet.
I haven't had a corner.
Enjoying your call, Miss Francis Herbert?
Napkin.
Shrimp soup.
That soup got your name on it?
Yep, tastes good. Put it this way. You can't fit right this way.
Guys. See that shrimp soup right there, guys? We'll wax that out.
in Lacovia, since Mama said I never said Lacovia. Lacovia, St. Elizabeth. We just left middle quarters in Holland Bamboo.
Middle quarters? Holland Bamboo.
And now we are heading outside of Lacovia to Coffee's Pen. This is called Coffee's Pen. Where? Bring us around no more hill do. Mommy man, come take out the chicken foot. Come. Alright guys. I don't know which part we're there, but we'll stop somewhere. Oh, let me speak English. I'm not sure where we are. Hi. So they have a menu of things.
It's time for a little party. Original bad mind. It's time for a little party. It's time for a little party. You can have all them drinks upon me. You can have all them drinks on me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. Them man, them a moving calmly. It's alright, and you know we got the vibe as you going. We bringing them in now till the early morning. Got the barbecue on fire. She have to act like the umpire. Dance all around the bonfire. No undercover, me now wear wire. It's time for a little party. It's time for a little party. You can have all them drinks upon me. You can have all them drinks on me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. Them man, them a moving calmly. Take the position, I waste no time. Flex your body, make you free your mind. Man, they think about you all the time. Lick up party, make you get that wine. Bad girl, she a whine upon me. Good girl, you are moving naughty. Come have liquid gin and tonic. It's time for a little party. It's time for a little party. You can have all them drinks upon me. You can have all them drinks on me. So the girls, them a whine upon me. Them man, them a moving calmly. Me not tell you say me fire can't cool. Me not tell you say me nothing can do. Pon the vibes anybody can do. Pon the streets say me really can move. Bad girl she a whine upon me. Good girl you are moving naughty. Come have liquid gin and tonic. It's time for a little party. It's time for a little party.
Worth it.
You can have all them drinks upon me. You can have all them drinks on me. So the girls, them a whine upon me.
Hi guys, so we just stopped. We're still on the south coast. We're actually in St. Elizabeth, heading towards Kingston, and we had to stop for some food. You saw us stop in middle quarters. And honestly, I don't even know where we are in St. Elizabeth right now. We just passed. Mommy, what area we just passed a while ago? Goshen. Goshen. So close to Goshen. And this cook shop, Jerk Hut, the food good. Big up yourself, chef. Yeah. Which part were they? Tell the people there.
Sport Bar, St. Elizabeth, Goshen, St. Elizabeth.
All
and
right.
check out Mighty Mystic.
All right.